So today we are in the Dossin Great Lakes Museum on Belle Isle. Got a free event going on today.
5, 6, 7 games for this. So these all pull out. Yeah, you can spin it. Thanks for coming out. Thanks for yeah. So we got Zebra and Zebra actually has a special. So this clock is split into two. And they use a really tiny
It's a ship you may have heard of.
We should do one of these buttons in the spring. Dad used to do it in college.
Different marine engines. Okay, now this is the famous or infamous Edmund Fitzgerald. Famous song about this by Gordon Lightfoot. You should check that out.
Everything we got.
Not just for breakfast anymore.
Yes, I want to go back to the couch.
Let's hear some horn blasts, shall we? Want to hear a short blast? Okay. This joint is jumping today, folks. Get down to Belle Isle. Some beautiful models here. The Champion. Nice. This is the ferry called Welcome. Here's an illustration of the Detroit River.
Try to figure out what's in there.
Okay. This could be bad.
Yeah, you put your hand.
Feels like coral reef.
Nope.
Wonderful.
Fungus.
Fungus. There's a fungus among us. I would rather put my hand in that.
Here, see what this one is.
Oh, okay.
It feels
Attempt
like
number 2. What do you think it is?
Oh no, it feels like rubbery, so it feels like maybe it's like some kind of dung or something.
Wow.
Very good.
Really? Okay.
What's
Let's
this
see.
one? This is beer poop.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, go ahead and look at it.
See what I picked up? You gotta look at it.
My God.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not trying any of the other ones. Thank you
no,
for
none of the other ones are.
none. Yeah, probably all 3 of the other.
Disgusting.
I picked the most disgusting one.
I don't know.
So lucky today.
This is a turtle shell.
Very good.
Oh, okay. Ready or slider as well.
Look at that. That's your turtle.
Yep.
I didn't even see that on there. Thank you for pointing that out to me.
Yeah, those are the coolest pets you can have.
What's this?
I'm just making sure something don't snap at me. This is like pine cone, but something from the tree.
Pine cone. Yeah.
Okay.
You're right.
Like maybe it's not called that.
That is correct.
Now you might find this one maybe disgusting.
Uh-oh.
You won't guess this one.
You
Oh,
won't.
okay.
Try it now. It's not
This
disgusting.
Is that a bird nest?
No, it's snake skin.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. Do you find that disgusting?
Yes, children.
Just basically hose casing.
Is that worse than the poop?
No, oh, sorry.
Disgusting, yeah, because it's
Everybody, let's go to Bob Lowe, the Pleasure Island.
it's really around you.
Right.
You know, so both of them.
Okay.
I'd like to find
I wouldn't want to
the
find
turtle shell. That's it.
Oh,
And the
okay.
pine cones. Of course, you'll see those.
Okay.
I like turtle shells when the turtle's in them. Racing on the water. Animal stalls and camping. Yes, it's very busy here today.
And if she's still feeling wonky after, I can try to do it now.
Hey, what's this one?
Because at this point in their life, once they're done spawning, they're done eating, they're done living, that's the end of their life cycle.
Okay.
So we don't have to feed them. They're not eating at this point in their life.
How long will that last?
Wow, these are big boats.
In
It
a
looks like
while,
about
I would guess it
7 or 8
varies
feet
depending on water
long.
temperature, what's going on
No,
around
these
them.
guys.
But these ones we keep in really cold water, so we can keep them around for like a year sometimes. Like this.
And they don't eat? And they're still alive in a year? I mean, that's sort of. That's interesting. Yeah. Really interesting.
Almost magic. Like, who goes in here without eating?
I know. Yeah.
Not me.
That's awesome.
Dry dock.
I need to get a stamp.
Oh, sure. Yeah. Yeah. And this is a little activity, but it's kind of like.
Beautiful models.
Oh, he's wonderful.
It's got a little like crossword puzzles, and it's got really good other information in it, like about
Okay, so where's page where?
I'm on the second page at top.
Center. Water City landscape.
Miss Pepsi.
Because they.
There's a full-scale version of that outside the building
They kind of are bad for a hard name.
that we can take a look at. Sailboats.
You can take as many little things from here as you want.
Very nice.
Those are temporary tattoos with sea life right on some kind of creepy.
Yeah. Well, why not?
And yeah, the Outdoor Adventure Center is just downtown here on Atwater Street.
You've been there.
Oh, you have? Okay, yeah,
Yeah,
that's where
I've been there
I'm
several times. In fact, last summer we went on their special day where they had the stuff outside and the archery out there,
Oh, yeah.
that climbing thing.
Yeah, yeah. Adventure days or.
Railway ferry. The T.J. McCarthy automobile loads.
I saw that some people had some bags. There must be a section.
Seahorse. Wyandotte Chemical Ship. Great Lake Freighter. Beautiful colors.
I think one could be garbage. They can be watching some birds while they're waiting for the.
I'm telling you, well, let's hook up together and do something. Okay. I'm for that. That's why we're here.
Hear you say that you're teaching kids
Teaching the children and families. Anybody who wants to
To
learn.
enjoy another interactive experience.
See the coat? Oh, that's out there.
Here's a depiction of a wreck.
Look at it.
Well, the Edmund Fitzgerald, of course.
Okay. And easy.
The freezing Detroit River.
They said we're going to Canada. Let's not Canada.
Must be great. Look at all these ice pockets in here. Just chilling. Yeah, God, we just gonna slide the camera real quick. That's pretty. It's a beautiful view.